So we have plugged in our flash drive and there's an error message saying you need to format the disk in the drive before you can use it, or any other error message related to it. Don't worry, because in this video we'll teach you how to format a flash drive without losing data. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Why format your flash drive? There may be a couple of reasons to format our flash drive, some of which include inaccessible USB drive, malware or viruses, USB drive file system errors, etc. Method 1. Using CHKDSK to fix flash drive and hard drive errors. If your USB drive's file systems are having issues, then this method might just work for you. First, click on the Start button and search for CMD. Next, right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Then, type in this command. And make sure to replace the letter X with the drive letter of your flash drive. And finally, execute the command by pressing Enter. Method 2. Using backup. If the data that was stored on the USB drive have a backup, then you can recover them easily. Backing up your files regularly is a very good practice, and even you can use external hard drives, online or cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. Method 3. Using AnyRecover data recovery. First of all, remember to stop using the damaged drive as much as possible before you are ready to run the methods that will give you the best chance of recovery even before formatting. And if you don't have a drive for backup or you forgot to backup, there is still hope. A data recovery tool like AnyRecover will help to recover from the formatted flash drive even with no backup. Alright, let's get started by formatting the drive first. Go to your disk PC, right-click on your flash drive, and click on Format. Next, make sure the Quick Format option is enabled, and then click on Start, and finally click on OK. Then make sure you download AnyRecover from the link in the description and try it for free. Also, surprisingly, for all AnyRecover products, we offer special YouTube discounts. Okay, now after installing AnyRecover, open the application. Then click on PC and Hard Drive Recovery and select the corrupted flash drive. Now AnyRecover will scan the flash drive for all the data that were stored before it was deleted. Once the process completes, select the files that you want to recover and click on the Recover button. Next, you'll need to select the location where you want to paste your recovered files, and in this way you can get back all your lost data from your flash drive. Make sure you use the discount code ARYT0110 to avail the 10% discount. By following these methods carefully, you can format a flash drive without losing data. Please ensure to follow all the steps carefully, and if you have any doubts, then feel free to watch this video again or even save it for future reference. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Have an amazing day ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.